everybody, we're getting closer and closer to our completion date. As you see, we have our flatwork team on site. They have the form boards, the rebar. They have everything graded so we can start the pour. We have an inspection on Monday to make sure that everything is up to code, and then we should be pouring either Tuesday or Wednesday. It's really exciting time. These guys are second to none. As you see, the massive amount of concrete that's gonna come in here. We have the circular driveway right here, sidewalks, all four corners of the house, a large entertainment center down back. I'm really excited to see how everything turns out. I say right now we're probably T-minus 45 days until everything's completed. We have our permanent power to the house already. Now it's just getting those floors, the HVAC units hooked up, and we're done. Thanks for following the journey. Hopefully we can help you guys build your next custom home. Out.